When the war in Ukraine began, I needed to know that Nicole would be safe. So I started bringing her to work with me. I work as a train conductor, and after the invasion, we began getting people to safety. We have visited almost all of Ukraine and Poland by train. People call her the Ukraine railway dog. One day, I was going home after a long trip, and I heard a puppy screaming in pain near the rails. I didn't think she had any chance to survive, but I couldn't bear the thought of her being alone in her final hours. So I took her home with me. After a few days, she started feeling better. And against all odds, Nicole survived. But she was traumatized for life. I knew she had to become part of my family. 2 years ago, she was a dog who was scared of everything. But when she got onto the train for the first time, children came and asked to cuddle her. Nicole was curious about who these little humans were, but she was no longer afraid. Usually, she lies in the aisle, which then can hold her to make them feel safe. She's overcoming all of her fears. She is helping people who escape from occupied territories. They said she helped them to deal with anxiety and made them feel better. And Nicole controls what is going on in the train car. At every stop, she goes to the entrance with me to greet new passengers. She now knows the schedule of the train, so she pushes me before we even get to the station. Maybe she cares so much because she knows how it feels to be all alone. She wants to help everyone in need because someone helped her.